so hey guys, welcome back. So today we're unboxing this electric plant spray bottle. Very cool. It's specifically designed for gardening actually. So I'm gonna unbox it, got it in the mail, ordered off of Amazon. There's a blogger, or as he calls himself, a plant enthusiast, that I found on Instagram. I've been following his page. He has some really amazing plants in this place, a nice, really great collection. I saw him using this, and so I went ahead and DM'd him. I was like, what is that? I need to get it. And he told me what it was. So I found it online and decided to buy it off of Amazon. So I will drop that information down below, but please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So it comes as two pieces. So one is the spray bottle. It has a maximum capacity of about 1 liter, so a nice ample size, so 1 liter. And it also has the kind of measuring, details here as well, the measuring lines. So it has that, and also has this little bit heavier piece right here, which isn't too heavy, but it has a little bit of weight to it. This is the spray bottle that goes on, or the spray head, I should say. So it screws on like that, and it also has a charging cable that you can actually use. So this charging cable plugs in right here. It's a little USB plug-in right there. And you charge that up and you're good to go. And it just turns on like that. Oh, I had a little bit, I did test it out before, so bear with me. All right, I'm gonna show you some more, kind of like just some B-roll and some shots of this in action, but I am obsessed with it and I love it. It's really great, especially like if you live in a place where you don't have a garden hose and you want to like kind of rinse off your plants. It's great for that, which I don't have a garden hose. And then also, like I have like a lot of like Spanish moss and plants I like to kind of mist in, especially in the summertime, keep them kind of in a nice little bit of humidity, but also kind of washing them off. You know, people sometimes say they like to wash their plants off, right? They mist them. Whether or not that's as beneficial, I don't know. But I enjoy doing it. It's also very relaxing during the pandemic, so it's a good thing to have, and I like it because it has a couple different adjustable speeds too, and a nice little indicator bar here which shows how charged it is, but also when it comes on, that actually activates as well. So pretty cool stuff. All right, more to come. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.